Classifications of gears. What are the classifications of are there? Okay, let's see classifications of gears. In these classifications of gears, first one is according to the position of axis. According to the position of axis of the shafts. Like there is a this is a two shafts. In these two shafts, this is axis and this is also axis. In these two axes, parallel to each other, there are two axes of shafts. This is one driver axis, driven shaft, in this driver shaft driven shaft, these two axes are parallel to each other. This is one type of position of axis, and another position is there like inclination. This is one axis, this is another shaft axis. This is a inclination to each other, and perpendicular axis are there. These are our positions of the axis of the shafts. Position of axis of the shafts according to the position of axis of the shafts. This is one of the classification. In this one, parallel, these two shafts parallel to each other. These two shafts axes are parallel to each other. That is a parallel axis, parallel position of axis of the shaft. Next, intersecting axis, position of axis. These two axes are intersecting to each other. This is a B. Next, non-intersecting. Perpendicular also intersecting. Non-intersecting also is there. In non-intersecting also is like this continuous axis. Okay, this one is there is no intersecting, that is non-intersecting. This is also one of the classification. Next, second one is according to the peripheral velocity of the gears. According to peripheral velocity of the gears. This is also one of the classification. In this one, divided three. One is low velocity, medium velocity, high velocity. If there is if any gear drives, there is a low velocity, that is called, that is one of the type of low velocity gear. Next, medium velocity and high velocity. In this one, divided three types of gears. That is one is a low velocity of the gears, medium velocity of the gears, high velocity of the gear. This is one of the classification according to the peripheral velocity of the gears. Okay. Fourth classification of the gear. Fourth classification of the gear according to the type of gearing. According to the type of gearing, like external, internal gear also is there. Some of the machine elements consist in external gearing, internal gearing. These all are and rack and pinion. These all are gearing, type of gearing. First one is external gearing. This is one of the type of gearing, and the second one B is internal gearing, and C rack and pinion. Like C external gearing, like this is one shaft. Okay, in this shaft external gearing like this. In this teeth, this is external gearing. Another one, another gear also like this. This is a external gearing. In this external gearing, gear teeth are external, outside of the gear, outside of the gear. Okay, this is a external external gearing. Internal gearing, internal gearing like this. Okay, there is a in this one gear, internal gears like this, any internal gears. And again shaft also, like internal shaft is there, or internal gears like this. This is one of the example of a figure, simple example of the figure. This is a B, internal gearing. Next, rack and pinion. Rack and pinion, in this one, rack and pinion like this. Rack and pinion, if any gear like bull gear is there, like this. Okay, in this bull gear, transmit the power like in this bull gear, like rack and pinion, like a small gear. Small gear, this is small gear. This is like a pinion. Okay, this is type, this is one of the type rack and pinion gear. Rack and pinion, rack and pinion, these three are according to type of gear. Okay, one is external gearing, another one is internal gearing. Next, last, rack and pinion. Next, fourth one is according to the position of teeth on the gear surface. According to the position of teeth, according to the position of teeth on the gear surface, like straight, inclined, curved. In this one, there is a gear teeth are there like this. Okay, in this gear teeth types, like according to the position is also is there, like straight one, straight and inclined like this, inclined. Next, curved also, curved gears also like this. Okay, this is gear, curved teeth are there. Okay, this is one of the classification according to the position of teeth on the gear surface. One is straight, inclined, curved. Okay, these four is classification of gears. Okay, we consider these four according to the first one is according to the position, according to the like inclination, according to the position of teeth, according to the surface, and type of gearing. Okay, these four are classification of gear. Next, coming to the next one is nomenclature, terms used in gears. Next class is terms. What are the terms used in gears, like addendum, dedendum, outer line, inner line, circle, pitch. These all are some of the terms and nomenclature of gear. Thank you.